So today we're going to be solving non-overlapping intervals. Basically, this gives you an array of intervals, and then you have to figure out basically which one you can remove to have all of them be non-overlapping, the minimum you can remove to have non-overlapping ones. So in this case, the one you want to remove is this one, and then that will be removing one. And in this case, you'll have to remove two to have non-overlapping one. And basically, it's not that you just have to make sure there isn't, you just have to give it the minimum one, and it's a greedy algorithm. So if we basically grab all the non-overlapping intervals, we can subtract that from the list of intervals, and that should give us the answer. Yeah, let's begin, I guess. To start off, we want to sort intervals. Let's sort. That's just a lambda. Next. So we're trying to sort using x1, and pretty much what we have to do next is we have to keep track of previous, which will be starting from index 0, and we want to keep count, which should be equal to 1, and then we should do the base case as well. So if length intervals equals 0, return 0. And yeah, we could just begin now. So for I in range for I in range 1, because we already signed from 0, we have to keep track of 2 at every single time. And then we want to go all the way to length of intervals. And basically what we do here is we want to make sure that they are non-overlapping. So what you want to do is just intervals if intervals previous is less than, and then we want to actually get the second value. So we're going to get this one if it's less than or equal to intervals I, and that one we're going to get the first one. Then basically what I'm going to do is update, so that means they're not overlapping. We want to set previous to I, sorry, my bad, I equals to I, and what else do we want to do? We want to increase counts plus equal to 1, and I think we should be able to just return length of intervals minus count. And yeah, if I didn't make any typo, that should work. Looks like I did make a typo. Alright, so I figured out the mistake I made. Basically, we have to specify the key, and once we specify the key, we have to just say use this as the key we sort by, and yeah, that should basically work. Sorry, I'm new to Python, so my use of lambda is not really good, and I still messed it up. Yep, so we can just do this, and voila. Yep, hopefully I get used to doing this, but thank you guys. See you in the